Thibitari nene ya level 5 ya Thika ikoretwo igituma arwaru matanyiheire 10 mathibitari-ini mangi ta Kenyatta niguo mamathe motungata ma mbica ya CT scan. Gwituika ati arwaru aya makoretwo makiriha gatagati ga ciringi 14,000 na 26,000 niguo kwamukira motungata macio.
And this is a machine that we've really been missing in this facility because it's of great help, considering that this is a hospital that receive so many trauma patients, that is from the either accidents or assault patients, and they need such a modality that will help the doctors to diagnose the conditions.
No riu arwaru aya mena gitumi gia gukena thutha wa mashini ino kureho thibitari-ini ino gwituika ati ahuri mbica 11 kuma thibitari-ini uyu ni matumiitwo bururi-ini wa China kwamukira mathomo makiria.
We are also doing an on-site training where we will train the users at the facility itself on how to use the equipment, demonstrate on how they are going to scan their patients, and later after that we also are going to arrange for advanced training which will follow after 3 or 6 months.
Sasa nimefurahi sana juu wakati nimefika hapa sijaona machini kama hii, na kama ni mahali kama Kenyatta ningekuwa napanga line, lakini hapa hakuna line napanga, naenda kaa naingia nipigwe picha alafu sasa nijulikane ni aje.
The government has undertaken to connect all the 98 hospitals under the MES program under what we call a highway, HCIT, so that even if you are sitting and having the healthcare services in a hospital that does not have radiologists, that patient will not have a problem because your radiograph can be read wherever.
Kurigana na ataramu mbica ino iteithagiriria murigitani kuona thina uria murwaru ari naguo kwambiriria o kiongo kinyagia kiara-ini gia kuguru.